What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Falcon's Fury at Busch Gardens, Tampa at night. This is my favorite ride at the park, and doing it at nighttime, you can literally, it seems like you can see the entire state, the coastline, everything, because you're so high up. Such a good ride and adds so much more thrill being at nighttime. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.